The decisions you make or didn't make influence every single outcome in your entire life. Today, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to make better decisions. Number 1, play the tape through. You have to think about, if I do this, then this happens. If I don't do this, then this happens, so you can logically weigh your outcomes to influence the decision in the first place. So many people don't play the tape through and then wonder why they get bad results. So put some thought into it and try and figure out what's going to happen if you do something, and sometimes more importantly, what's going to happen if you do not do something, so that you can end up with a better and more predictable outcome at the end of the day. Second, and tying right into that, respond, don't react. So many times we react, which means we're coming from a place from emotion. You know, you're overwhelmed by the emotions, you're angry, it's like the little kid, and then boom, they strike out and hit somebody. Take a second, breathe, and allow that thought to exit your mind so that you can have a clear mind when making your next move. It is very important, and it ties directly into playing the tape through. Remember, respond, don't just react. Third, don't let fear hold you back. So many times in life, people are stuck at the same level, and that is making a conscious decision not to move forward because of fear. That's why you see so many people at the same job forever, and they just take whatever little raise or promotion comes their way instead of going after and tackling their dreams. It's a conscious and a lot of times a subconscious decision to be motivated by fear. Go for your dreams, forget the fear, and allow yourself to grow and move forward. Even if you're going to have some failures along the way, remember, you only have to succeed more than you fail. And more than likely, you'll be surprised at things you were afraid of end up not being true at all. 4, be careful who you surround yourself with. That has been a very common theme on this channel, but I promise you, product of your environment is a real thing. Surround yourself by people that are pushing you and encouraging you to do better, to be more successful, and ultimately that translates to making better decisions. Make better decisions about who you surround yourself with, and in turn, they'll help you make better decisions going forward. And it just keeps going and going and going until you reach the top. But it is super important to really pick carefully who you surround yourself with so that they can encourage you to make better decisions. Lastly, reflect at the end of the day. It is so important. We live in a time where we are constantly stimulated between work, school, kids, and then we all have a little device called a cell phone that constantly stimulates our brain like no other time in human history. Take a few minutes at the end of the day by yourself in complete silence and reflect on your day and reflect on the decisions you made. Do this 100% every day, but definitely when you have a big decision to make, so you can really get a clear mind and really play that tape through and approach everything from a calm, cool, and collective perspective. I promise you, if you implement these 5 things, it will help you to make better decisions, and that is the cornerstone of success. It's choosing to move forward, choosing to have an attitude where you want to do better and be a better person, and ultimately you end up helping your community and helping your family. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, share this video with somebody that could use the help.